Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the oven light lens in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Remove the oven racks as necessary. Unclip the light lens retainer and remove the old lens if still intact. Install the new light lens by positioning it over the bulb, then secure it with the retainer. Replace any racks as required. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your electric range should be ready for use.